So before you heat up your Himalayan salt block, you need to read the instructions because you kind of have to cure it a little bit. I spent almost a day curing it, and now we're gonna pull it out of here and use it for the first time. Let's grab it. Oh, check that out. Let's check out the temperature. 525 degrees. I think we should start with a small piece just in case something doesn't work out right? Oh, that smells good. Oh, look at that sear. How cool is that? Oh, man. Do a little temperature check. 387, 400. This is a whole big piece of steak that I got going here. Let's see. Look at that. Whoa, hot. So these smaller pieces are a little more fun for the impatient people in us. I mean, the big ones are cooking just fine, and they're gonna be nice and rare. Oh, this one's like perfect. So if you're interested in this Himalayan salt block, totally fun. This would be great like for girls' night together, guys' night together, just something fun to put maybe on a charcuterie board, just have something, a little something sizzling in there in the middle. I think it's really cool. You can see it's starting to get a little bit of its pinkish color back as it's starting to cool down. You can't possibly go wrong with this. If you would like this, there's a link here on the screen or down in the description. If you use that, doesn't cost you anything extra, helps out the channel a little bit. Thank you in advance. Seeing as you're still here, hopefully I'm adding value to your life. So give the video a thumbs up because it really does make a difference in terms of the algorithm. If you have any other ideas of what to do with this, please put them in the comments. Let's have a chit chat about that because I'm looking for creative new ways to use this. I hope this has been helpful. I'll see you in the next video.